Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. Stu is back. How y'all doing? I have this 2019 Lexus ES350. I'm gonna show you how to do the oil life reset. Alright, I like how they build this car though. All you're gonna do is play with these buttons. Okay, as soon as you start the vehicle, the car is running, by the way, you're gonna see this this presentation. All you do is, you see the icons on the top, you're gonna go for the gear one with this one, up, down, left, right, enter, go back. So you just press the right arrow, go vehicle settings. Okay, go down. You can do that one, or you can go there, oil maintenance. Press enter, reset data, yes, enter, reset complete. Alright, now you can go back. Let's see, if you go schedule maintenance, press OK, reset data, yes, the data has been reset. Go back, and that's it. This is how you reset the oil life in this 2019 Lexus ES350. Alright, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and please, the feedback, put it in the comment box for me, and I'll catch you up later. Alright, hala, chupodas, tu, buru, hey!